Okay, constraints are another feature that probably don't get used too much when you're doing drawing, and it's very handy to keep them in mind because it will save you some time and effort sometimes. Underneath general dimension and order dimension, you've got this thing here where you've got all of these different options. So you've got all of these things here that you can help you with your drawing. Okay, first thing I want to do is I want to make this line touch the outside of these two here. I want a tangent from that circle to that circle. What I want to do is I want to fix that thing first of all so it doesn't move, and I also want to fix that thing. And what that does is if I try to, I won't be able to move it. Alright, so if I grab this thing, for example, this thing here, I can move it to wherever I want. If I grab this, I won't be able to move it because it's fixed in spot. Alright, so that's important to know. You can fix things so they don't move around. Now I'm going to go to tangent, and I'm going to make that thing there a tangent to that and to that. And that line has moved down so that it's touching those two circles there. So that's very handy to remember. Okay, now another thing that might be handy is, once again, we'll fix this line, fix this whole thing. So there we go, we fixed that, and I want to move this one over so it's in line with that first one. So let's have a go at that. So over here, let's see, not perpendicular, not parallel, let's go coincidental. So this one and this one, no, it's not going to work, so let's have a go. Collinear, that one and that one, and we've lined it up so that those two are now in line. So instead of redrawing things or drawing things and trimming off, we can use those constraints to make sure your features are right. Say we want parallel, and I want this line to be parallel with this line. It's flipped it around, so these two there are now parallel. So constraints are very, very important, and they will help a lot in what you're doing. If I come back here, if I exit out of that, click on that, right click, remove fixed constraint, okay, I can now get that thing and I can move, I can make it bigger or smaller. I can't move it because this tangent is still hooked up to it. So I've got to take off the tangent constraint to be able to move that circle. So constraints will help you very much when you come to do more complex sort of sketches.